Hey Amazon associates! Have you used SiteStripe? It's the quickest and easiest way to link any product or page on Amazon to your website, allowing you to quickly and easily monetize your recommendations from the millions of products available on Amazon worldwide. SiteStripe lets you build links right from the Amazon page itself. The first thing you will need to do is go to the Associate Central page, click on Tools, then choose SiteStripe. Next, navigate down to click Learn More. Then all you need to do is scroll and click Enable. Now you will see the SiteStripe bar at the top of every Amazon page. When you create a link with SiteStripe, it will be automatically attributed back to your store ID. So when a customer makes a purchase using that link, you'll receive a commission for the sale. Let's say you want to recommend the Echo Dot to your audience. You can choose to share a text, image, or both. Before selecting, make sure you are using the correct store and tracking ID if you have set up multiple options. Once you click your desired option, all you need to do is copy and paste the generated link into your site, and boom, you are ready to earn. So, take advantage of SiteStripe, an easy and turnkey tool to earn commissions on Amazon products.